Hello, in front of me I've got Linyuvo controller. In this video I'll show you how to adjust turbo speed. Turbo mode has 3 speeds: continuous firing 5 times per second, 12 times per second and 20 times per second. In order to adjust it, press turbo key and adjust turbo by pushing the stick upwards or downwards on certain controller. For example, like this on the right controller and like this on the left controller. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.